everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we're going to hide some yarn ends. So turn your project inside out and then you're just going to thread your needle. And I put my fingers in the project so that I make sure I'm not going through. If you're hiding threads that are in the middle of the project, this is a bit more difficult. But the main thing is I only want to be picking up the loops on the back of the project. So I'm going to put through a few loops. And then where my working yarn is coming out, I'm going to go a bit behind it and a bit past it. See how my working yarn is coming out here, but I've gone behind it? That is called back stitching. Now I just repeat this a few times. And what that does is it anchors your yarn without having to tie knots. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye now.